Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again.
I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to empower you.
Picking up the stones.
This is not your average oats breakfast. If you are like me and can't stand the thought of a sweet, gooey porridge, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tia Shardarat, California. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious savory oats chila that has become a staple in my home. But most importantly, I am going to tell you why eating a breakfast like this is one of the best things you can do for your body, especially when you are trying to lose weight or improve your health. Even my son, who hates traditional oats, absolutely loves this. I have realized it's not just about the taste, it's about how my body feels after eating it, and I am going to share the surprising science behind this with you. So the question is, why this savory oats chila is better for weight loss and health than a sweet porridge. Most of us think if our blood sugar is normal, we can eat little bit of sugar for breakfast. But that's where the problem begins. The sugar in that sweet breakfast, even if it is from the healthy sources like honey, maple syrup, or dried fruit, can start a cascade of negative effects in our body. It's not just about diabetes. What people often don't talk about, how excess sugar can harm your body's cells, leading to things like faster aging of your skin, increased inflammation, and cellular damage. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to empower you with the facts. And the good news is you can still have a delicious, satisfying oats breakfast without having any of these negative effects. So let's make this incredible chila. What makes this recipe so powerful? It's all about the ingredients we are using and the balance they create. I'm using steel cut oats here, but you can use any kind of unsweetened and unflavored oats that you have at home. The key thing is the fiber. Chia seeds also provide omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. This fiber is a complex carbohydrate that releases energy slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes. We are using another powerhouse, Ragi or finger millet. It is a super grain, especially for women. It is incredibly rich in calcium, which is vital for bone health as we age. Plus, it's packed with iron that helps to combat anemia, which is a common issue for many of us. This is going to be our superstar protein source in this recipe. The protein from the egg is what keeps you feeling full and satisfied for hours, which is key for weight loss. No mid-morning hunger pangs or cravings. We are also going to add some anti-inflammatory spices and season it with salt. We are adding chili powder, cumin, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Not only are these spices delicious, but they also help to protect our body from the inside out. We are loading this up with finely chopped onions, colorful bell peppers, This is not just about the flavor, it's about adding a huge amount of fiber, vitamins and minerals for very few calories. This volume is what truly fills you up and gives your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. After mixing this all together, I am going to add some leafy greens. Right now I have spinach in my home, so I am going to add the chopped spinach leaves. say how easy this is? It's completely doable and customizable. You can use any vegetables that you have on your hand. Once your griddle is hot, just give it a quick spray with some oil. Now let's get our batter on. You don't need to be a professional. Just pour it slowly from the center and spread it out as much as you can to make a nice round shape. Now for a little extra goodness, sprinkle on some white sesame seeds. They add a nice nutty flavor, but more importantly, they are a great source of healthy fats and more fiber. It's a little secret for an even healthier breakfast. You will know one side is ready when you see the edges turn a beautiful golden crispy brown. That's your sign to flip it over and let it cook on the other side. And just like that, our healthiest breakfast is ready. I encourage you to make this at least once a week and see the incredible results for yourself. The beauty of this recipe, you can even make it for a healthy dinner, perfect for weight loss. This is not just a recipe, it's a commitment to your health. Complete, detailed recipe with exact measurements and nutritional information is available in the description below. And if you are looking for personalized guidance and a meal plan tailored to your unique lifestyle and health goals, you can find about my health coaching services in the description below too. You can also check it on my website. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my contents, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Your support helps me continue to create this video and provide health coaching value that truly makes a difference. Bye for now. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy and positive.